Hey, welcome back to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel you will find decorating ideas as well as DIY projects. I will be working my way into the formal living room next and adding a few more fall elements as well as in the formal dining room. We decided recently that we're going to have a small Thanksgiving dinner here at home, so I felt like there are a few more items I could add to the space to give more of a fall feel. So I am going to do that, pull out some more fall decor pieces and just get that space a little more in tune with the season. So if you like this type of content, please do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell if you haven't, so you're notified when I upload a video. And let's jump right into it. So in a prior video, I created this centerpiece and I had it placed in my family room, but I had mentioned I was going to bring it here in my formal dining room and place it on the table. And I think it looks a lot better in here. And now that we're going to host, well, we're not going to host a lot of people. It'll be our intermediate family for Thanksgiving. You know, I thought it would be very, very nice to have this as the centerpiece when we have dinner. Love, love, love these picks. You can see those, super, super cute. So I'm gonna leave this here and just bring in a few more fall elements. I'm going to be using these plates that I've had for a while now. Actually, I got these last year at Home Goods, so I'm going to use these again. Super, super cute. And all these look in the current dish. And these are Target dishes here. Love these big pasta bowls, so super cute. So I want to leave those on the table. And I'm going to be mixing my metals in here. The majority, the color is silver, but I'm going to be bringing in some gold. And I only have 4 of these, so I'm going to do the 4 inner seating with these. And take these out. And I also picked up these really cute utensil holders from Home Goods last year, and I'm going to use these as well. So this is how I am going to use these this year. I'm going to place them like that, have them kind of sticking out to show the detail underneath the plate. I think that is so cute. And I'll show a better view a little further in the video. And do this side. Yeah, I really like that. It's cute. 4 of these glasses that I got from TJ Maxx. So cute. I'm going to use these. So if we have some cocktails, the glasses will be right there in our reach to make a drink. So that is going to be perfect. And actually, I'm going to use my marble platter and place them on there. Give it a little bit of an elevated look. Bring it up a little bit. Okay. I'm going to put this away in the buffet, and I'm going to bring out these amber color wine glasses for the place setting. Need to move this table out a tad bit. Okay. Then I'm going to keep those at the head of the table. I have some stems that I will be using. So Love, love, love these. I'm going to place them in the eucalyptus. They look like silver dollars. I call them silver dollar stems. So I'm going to place some in that transparent vase over there on the buffet. And then I will place some in the living room over here. So let's go ahead and do that. And I think I want to, let's see, what color? I think I'm going to do the brown over here. So go ahead and take that off. And I know I have another set of these. I've got to see what I did with them. Go ahead and straighten those out. Maybe fold it once towards the end. Try to get the right height going there. Okay, that's better. And I lost a whole stem. So let's go ahead and put that back on. We need all of those. And again, I'm gonna keep the top nearby. That there. I'm gonna leave my eucalyptus garland right there as well. So that is not full enough, and I don't know, well, I won't say I don't know, but I don't feel like going out in the garage to get the other darker colored stems. So I'm gonna mix it with the lighter, see how that looks. Okay, I think we might have something going here. Add a little bit more. This is going to be too short, I believe. So let's do that. Okay. Let's see. All right. So now I'm going to move over here to the formal living room. Hey guys, so I am done decorating. I just put the finishing touches on the formal living room and added a few extra items on the centerpiece on the table. Not many, just some cute pumpkins and an additional LED candle from that package that I just showed you from Michael's. So let's do one spin around the room so you can get a quick look at how everything turned out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video, but stay tuned. Get a final viewing of the finished space, and I'll see you in the next video.